This is Tier 2, Lesson 3, Factoring by Grouping. So we're back to grouping, and this time it says completely solve. So what that means is we're going to do our factoring, and then we're going to go on. Now, hopefully you're getting good at this, so we can look at this term, and then we can look at this term, and we could factor out the GCF of each right away without drawing the boxes. If you still need to draw the boxes, please do that, right? That's what we were using. But I can look at this and I can see I could divide out a 3 from both of those and a p cubed, right? I have 4 and I have 3. So what I'm going to get is 3p cubed, and then 9 divided by 3 is 3, and we have 1p left. And then negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2, and there will be no p's left. And then out of this term, I can divide out 4. And because I want my first term to be positive, I'm going to try to get it to match by dividing out negative 4 from both. So negative 4, and we get negative 12 divided by negative 4 is 3, so 3p, and 8 divided by negative 4 is negative 2. Well, the two terms match, so we can factor this out. So we get 3p minus 2 times 3p cubed minus 4. Now, this term is done because it's linear, right? P to the first. This term is not done because it is cubic. So what I'm looking for is perfect cubes. Well, the cube root of 3 is not perfect, and the cube root of 4 is not perfect. So we can't really do anything with this, with the sum and difference of cubes, which is what I would be looking for, right? It doesn't come out cleanly. So all I'm going to do is solve this one. So 3p minus 2 equals 0, and I'm going to solve that real quick by adding 2. And then dividing by 3. So p equals 2/3. There's one solution. And then I'm going to take my 3p cubed minus 4 and set it equal to 0, right? Because it was equal to 0 at the beginning. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Divide by 3, right? Nothing new here or exciting. And we get p cubed equals 4/3. And then I'm going to take the cube root of both sides, and that does not simplify, right? We already talked about those not simplifying. So I have p equal the cube root of 4/3, and I leave it just like that. Okay, so these could get more involved, right? If we have a difference of cubes or a difference of squares or something else that we could do to factor. But in this case, we really can't.